Hi everyone, long time no see, or is it long time no post? For those of you who don't know me, I'm NK Lilete of Nigerian Food TV, and for those who do, I'm so sorry for the long absence. I know it's been a while since you guys heard from me or got a recipe in your inbox. I know it's been like 2 years or 2 years plus. Wow, that's like 100 years in blogging age. Wow, that's a long time, eh? I'm so sorry. I'd like to say a big thank you to all my subscribers and to everyone who has sent me a goodwill message asking where I've been and what went wrong. As you can see, I'm doing great. Nothing happened, just that I got a contract as a recipe developer and recipe tester, and it was time consuming and demanding. Then in the process I had a baby, and you know how the story goes when you have a new baby in the house. Baby is almost a year old now and almost through with the project, and I promise never to be missing in action again. And now to the giveaway. This is our little way of saying thank you to our loyal fans. I wish I could give a gift to everyone, hopefully in the future, God willing. But now, 4 winners are going to be picked from the 4 different platforms that we use, which is YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and on the website's email list. The giveaway is a gift basket filled with yummy treats and basic food items to put you in the Christmas mood. I am not going to tell you everything that is in the basket so that there will be an element of surprise. To participate, the basic requirement is to be a subscriber or a follower on any of our platforms, and also leave a comment below telling me your favorite Nigerian food TV recipe and also the recipe you would love to see in upcoming video. Before I forget, anyone can participate in this giveaway, but the collection point is in Lagos, Nigeria, and the winners will be announced on the website. It's so good to be back again. I miss you loads. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not done that yet, and also turn on your notification so that you can get our new recipes. See you in the next video. Bye bye.